if you're old, welcome back, and today I have my Boxycharm. And there were a couple variations this month, so let's go ahead and dive on in. And again, they are with the pamphlet, and there are a couple of coupons for Wonder Beauty. You can get 20% off. By the way, I went on Wonder Beauty because that wasn't a variation. I needed to see if there were any carmine in the mascara. And then but as soon as you sign up, you can get 20% off your first order, or you can use Boxycharm 07. And then it also has pharmacy 20% off your next purchase. Charm 20 is the code. Alright, first thing I got that I cannot use right now is the Pharmacy Bright On Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask with Echinacea Green V. A vitamin C clay mask that instantly brightens and helps detox skin by removing buildup and impurities to visibly improve the appearance of skin and texture. You apply a generous amount, massage it in circular motions until color transformation has occurred. Avoid eye area, leave on for 5-10 minutes depending on skin sensitivity. Rinse with water to remove. Maybe apply 2 to 3 times a week. It did say something. Oh, this is made exclusively for Boxycharm. It's 50 milliliters. It turns from purple to green. Removes impurities and buildup while improving your skin's brightness, texture, and tone. The retail price on this is $38. I'm not mad at this. I would have liked to try the Dr. Brandt under eye stuff, but I ain't mad at this. So, yeah, I like clay mask. Next thing I got is from Cella Beauty. This is an eyebrow cream which says add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. Okay, this is in the color taupe. They had a questionnaire. I filled that out. I told them I had black hair, black eyebrows. Where'd they get that I'm taupe? Next thing is the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights, literally. The Unlashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. The MSRP is $24. Now, this is not vegan, but it doesn't contain carmine, but it does contain beeswax. So, we should be good. I need a new one. I think my Essence one is like a little too dry. Ooh, it's like a wave. Okay, we're gonna try that. I have a little bit of makeup on and I forgot I had a blush in here. I probably wouldn't have put on a blush. Let me see if I can like wipe that away in a second. Next is from Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. So obviously an English brand. Designed to work for all skin types, this luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness. With this argan-infused formula, the built-in brush and mirror makes this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. This is $11.99, which is really good. That's like drugstore price anyway. And now, being argan oil, straight up argan oil, my skin does not like, and it doesn't like it in a mask, but I think that's because it sits on your face. I might be okay with it just being infused in a blush, and it's not like it immediately caused me to break out. It just feels like really heavy, and I don't like how it sits, and it just kind of feels like it almost clogs my pores kind of thing. That's why I don't like it. However, no carmine in this, so that is cool. Nice little thing. The shade is Desert Rose. Looks like that. And I decided to tell you a note. So, does say note on there. It says something about a brush. Oh, okay. Yeah, you lift that up and you get a dinky little brush. That's like crap. So we're gonna swatch that. Very like almost orangey. It's an orangey peachy kind of color. So on me, it will work. I mean, it'll work on most peas. Okay. And here's the other variation. Yeah, the other one was the Master Dr. Brandt that we got. And I got the Crown eyeshadow palette. Fuego collection. Made up of rich, warm tone shades, creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this palette for all your glam #goals. This is $29.99. Okay, I like the packaging on this. You know, some crowns not it's a little cheapy with the folded right there, but you know, it does have a little mirror, so big. And this is actually reminding me a whole lot of like the Naked Heat, which I can't use because of the carmine. But yeah, I thought it almost reminded me a little bit of the Loreal Unzipped one, which I can't use for the carmine, but that one leans more pinky mulberry, but similar tone. But this is really like the freaking Desert Heat palette. So let's see if I can wipe off some of my blush to like really get like a feel for that blush. Oh hell, I'm wiping it on with that finger apparently. Some color off. Okay. Alright, I have already primed my eyes. So we're going to go in this. I'm going to take that. That's like kind of satin. I'm just going to use the Essence brush. I'm just going to set my eye. Because why not? Not kicking up a lot. I don't know if I'm getting a lot of product or not. Color next to it and see what happens. Yeah, just blowing out my crease. It might be too tonally similar to my skin, but it's okay. E35, if y'all can see that. And I'm going to go into this warm shade. Now there are no shade names. Crown is about like vegan. It's like Coastal Scents. There's no carmine. They have actually a really simple formula. Okay, it might have been that brush. The brush sometimes works with some palettes and sometimes doesn't. Like it's on the back of their box. Their like formula is so freaking simple. It's like that's their formula. Simple. The Urban Decay Naked. You can't tell me you couldn't have done that palette without carmine. Oh, and Rimmel apparently made a good dupe of that palette anyway. I was watching Sabrina and she really loves and prefers the Rimmel one. She says it's better. I'm just going to tap that in because she pigmented. Yeah, I just barely tapped that. So yeah. Boxy 239 Precision Shader. I'm going to go in that shade because that just looks so pretty. Oh yeah, you're pretty even dry. Yes. Let me kinda. This red, I'm just going to put it in the middle, but I'm going to spray it with primerizer water. I guess that's like technically you use primerizer water. I don't know. Put it right in the middle. Oh, look how pretty that looks in the middle right there. Yes. Go into this color. And just do a little LRV work. And this like creamy matty, like almost looks like a satin, but it's not. It's not like a good highlighting shade right there. The color I had all over the lid, I'm gonna go right here. And to that shiny red I have in the middle. Outer V cutter. Like gliding on, so I think I'm used to my essence. I think that my essence is all dried out. Now this is infused with licorice root, but doesn't licorice like help grow your lashes or something like that? So now Lord knows if it smudges, it probably will smudge on me. That's pretty. It is like noticeable a little bit. Should have probably worn different ears for this look. And a different lip. Haha. There is my look using the products I could use out of this box. You know, I couldn't use the brow thing, so I actually did my brows already. So I'll be giving that brow thing away to somebody who has lighter brows. But yeah, bad. Very slow mascara. Okay, not the like most like one, but it's not bad looking, I guess. And I like the palette. I mean, if you're like me, carmine is an issue, or if you don't want to pay that price. And Crown always has sales, so they're always on Hot Look. Of course, you know, you have to worry about the $7.95 shipping on Hot Look. But I'm guaranteeing you this is a dupe with just 2 less shades, right? Like the Naked Heat is a 12 pan. This is 10 pan with big pans. So yeah, I would keep your palette. A lot of people are already selling it. I'm like, and some people are trading for the Radiant Set Mist from Tarte. I actually have a little sample of that I haven't used. But yeah, so I think it's pretty. It's monotone, but not quite neutral, just more monotone. So yeah, there was my look. There's my box. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribe, toodles.